Everybody, and welcome to the HTBox AllReady Stand-Up. Today we've got a lighter crew. Steve and myself are here just to give you a few updates about the project and where things are at. The notification as the stream was starting said that we could broadcast for up to 8 hours. So I hope you're ready, Steve. We've got a bit of a session to do.
I've got a drink.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, well, just a few updates for you. Nothing on the immediate radar as far as codeathons go from what we're aware. But one of the...
That's hella lie there, James. Yeah, we do have one. I have one.
Right on.
At my employer's office in Brighton, UK, we're going to do our second kind of codeathon this time. And we're going for a weekend. So we're going for a full day, Saturday, the 18th of March. We're hoping to get maybe between 6 to 8 of us together in a room and just kind of really fire through what's kind of left, I think, towards V1.
Right on. That is excellent.
So that'll be a couple of opens away.
And that's great because this will be some of the repeat crew, I'm sure, from last time as well.
That's it. Yeah, we've got a couple of guys that did the first one and also came along to NDC London are back again. So we've got
right on. So they know all the patterns and everything in the cycles and the process for PRs and everything. That's going to be brilliant.
Yeah, I'm hoping we can really churn through some issues.
That's a little bit too short a notice for me. I do intend to get out there. I want to jump the pond and come out and do a hackathon with you guys out there. That would be
absolutely. So, yeah, you've got a week to get out of here.
Yeah, I don't know that. Yeah, that's a little short notice. So I lied. We were opening with a lie, but Steve has corrected me, and we do have a codeathon coming up here in Brighton. So that's excellent. And good luck to everybody who's going to be joining in there at your office. Also on the radar, the release, the RTM of Visual Studio 2017. We do want to give people a little bit of time to just to download the bits. I have the computer I'm on right now. I haven't even downloaded it yet, so it's understandable that it's going to be trickling onto Metal across the globe here in the weeks ahead. But I think the collective, at the end of this month, we want to either have the project converted over to 2017, or at least have a branch with it where we've got that live, just so that we can start to and get our project. We are keeping this fairly current with the build out for .NET Core and the tooling and the like, and we want people to be able to have a really good out-of-box experience for downloading the project, saying this is the tool you need, just grab it, download the project, away you go, and you can start contributing. So that's probably where we're at with that. And Steve, also just on our we do have another projects that we're working on. We had a great meeting a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago now, with Brock Allen regarding Identity Server, and since then you've been a little bit busy.
Yeah, that's it. We've started to flesh out the project now on GitHub. So we've got a new repo set up under the HTBox HT Identity, which will be the new server running Identity Server 4. And we're just starting to sort of lay the groundwork with that at the moment, get the initial kind of code in there. I think that'll probably be our first one. We'll upgrade to VS 2017. I think given that we've got no one using it at the moment, it's a good chance to.
Very few dependencies and contributor list is still short. So
yeah, there's 2 of us in there. So yeah, we'll get one updated, and I think start to move over. The next step really is now moving over the actual the login flow concept of sort of HT admins on there, and the user management pieces. So that's kind of starting to get ready to go.
Excellent. Okay, well, flying through here then, and I'm just going to have a quick look at anything that's outstanding. I think if we go to our milestones, the March release milestone is coming up. Actually, there's nothing into this guy yet, so maybe we can...
Oh, we're not.
Looks like maybe 0 open, 0 close, so maybe the... I'm on pull requests. That's why. I apologize. Here, let me.
Got a few open in there.
Yeah. Let's go to it. If you use the March 1 release milestone, it looks like we've got about 36 open, and a good chunk of those are documentation. As always, there are some that are flagged for jump in. And then we have priority tags, P1, 2, 3, where P1 is the most important. So if you are looking to join in and contribute by adding a pull request, just make a comment on one of those issues and let us know that you are looking to do that, and we will try to. We always try to get those pull requests wrapped up as soon as we can. There's 2 or 3 of us that are looking at those issues and merging them in as they come available. So let us know. We'll try and keep those cleaned up. I think we've got 2 or 3 outstanding right now, and we'll address those today. But thank you for jumping in and grabbing those. As we've talked about in the recent weeks, we have now we're approaching 2,000 contributions via issues and pull requests from those in the community, and we've had over 100 contributors to the project. It's been amazing to have the community embrace this project, and we do have, it is a real world project, as Tony always talks about on the call. It is something that the American Red Cross is embracing and using. They're going to be using it to coordinate the install of thousands of smoke detectors in an upcoming project. And so it's really important work, and it will be used in the field by real organizations. And this is just a great way to embrace .NET Core and find out more about what is coming on the technology landscape in the .NET world. Anything else from your end before we wrap up here, Steve?
No, I think just that there's a couple of issues in that list that are kind of epics around some new user roles, and I'm going to flesh those out a bit. I'll be breaking those apart into sort of small chunks that we can hopefully make as jump-ins for people to start picking up on.
Wonderful. And we'll probably start to see the bits for identity trickle in here in the next 3-4 weeks as well, as we get identity server set up and running. And so there might be some issues related to that as well.
Sure.
Excellent. Okay, well, thanks for tuning into this shorter version of the community stand-up, and we will be back again next week, which is our regular scheduled one, and then we've got one more planned on April 1st to wrap up the March release milestone. So thanks again, everyone, and we'll talk to you next time on the HTBox AllReady community stand-up.